Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can hide Instagram app in OPPO smartphone. So to start, you will need to launch settings, then enter the privacy just privacy category, switch the view to the privacy, then tap at the hide app section, then find the Instagram app in the list over here. Enable the switch in front of it, then go for settings, set the privacy password if you haven't done it already, then fill out your recovery information, and now we're gonna set an access code for those hidden apps to be, accessed somehow. So go into settings again. The access code should be started and finished with the hash sign, and in between two hashes you gotta have anywhere from 1 to 16 digits. So input your preferred access code, hit the check button to save, and you're all set up. As you can see, the Instagram app is no longer here, so it has been hidden, and if I will try to search for it, nothing will come up as well. So in order for me to access the hidden apps and Instagram app in particular, I will need to open the phone dialer and input the access code. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.